Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update AliExpress application using iPhone. To download the latest version of AliExpress application on your mobile device is quite easy. Open your App Store or your Play Store, and then in the search box, search for AliExpress. Once you find the application, tap on it to open it up. Now in this page, if you see an update button instead of open, it means that you have the latest update release yet to be downloaded for AliExpress application on your device. Simply tap the update button and your download process should begin. The new update comes up with bug fixes and performance improvement, so make sure to update your application now and then. Once you are done with the update, you can open up the AliExpress application like you normally do and get started with it. So that was a quick and a short tutorial on how to update AliExpress application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.